Weather forecasters in California are warning that fierce winds fueling the wildfires around Los Angeles are expected to intensify this week. Fire crews on the ground are working urgently to contain 3 ongoing wildfires. Officials have cautioned that, after a weekend of relatively calm conditions, the dry Santa Ana winds will strengthen from Sunday night through Wednesday. During this period, winds are forecasted to reach up to 60 miles per hour. Despite the looming threat, progress has been made in curbing the spread of the Palisades and Eaton fires. Firefighters from 8 other states, as well as Canada and Mexico, are assisting local crews. The Los Angeles County Medical Examiner updated the death toll to 24 on Sunday. Officials stated that at least 16 people remain unaccounted for. 16 fatalities were reported in the Eaton fire zone, while 8 were found in the Palisades area. 3 major wildfires are currently active in the Los Angeles region. The largest of these is the Palisades fire, which has burned more than 23,000 acres and is 11% contained. The Eaton fire is the second largest, having scorched over 14,000 acres with 27% containment. The Hearst fire has grown to 799 acres and is now nearly fully contained. These wildfires are projected to rank among the costliest in U.S. history. All of Los Angeles County has been placed under a heightened fire threat. Pasadena Fire Chief Chad Augustin warned of the potential for disastrous wind conditions between now and Wednesday. He noted that peak wind speeds are expected on Tuesday. Chief Augustin stated that despite recent progress, the situation remains far from resolved.
As this wind-driven fire had wind gusts of 70+ miles per hour, we had spotting of embers 2 to 3 miles ahead of the fire. We are encouraging people to stay updated as the weather can continue to change very rapidly. Please, if we issue an evacuation order, heed our request. Be prepared, have your go bag, and immediately evacuate.
Los Angeles Fire Chief Kristen Crowley urged residents near evacuation zones to be prepared to leave immediately if ordered. She also requested that residents avoid driving on the roads to prevent interfering with emergency crews. New fires continued to erupt on Sunday, threatening communities in the San Fernando Valley and near NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Firefighters were able to quickly contain fires in the Angeles National Forest, which surrounds the critical research facility. At least 29 people have been arrested for looting in mandatory evacuation zones. California Governor Gavin Newsom announced that 1,000 more National Guard members would be deployed to the region. Currently, 14,000 firefighters are operating in Southern California, supported by 84 aircraft and 1,354 fire engines. Approximately 105,000 residents remain under mandatory evacuation orders, while 87,000 remain under evacuation warnings.